Good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good evening. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Craigs. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you all the news, updates, and analysis and whatever is going on in the crypto world. Guys, a lot is going on in the crypto world. We are right now, or we have been in a mini bear market within the bigger bull market. This is the trend right now. From the last 1.5 months, we have seen downward movements, declining of Bitcoin and other altcoins. We have seen some massive drops in a lot of altcoins and quite huge parabolic drops in Bitcoin. But there's light at the end of tunnel. From the last 3-4 days, as you guys all should have noticed, that Bitcoin price has started to appreciate. It's going back towards the upper level. In this video, I want to take you through technical analysis and the fundamentals so that you can have all the new tools and weapons to survive this little volatile situation we are in. But guys, remember, Bitcoin is going up, altcoin is going up, Ethereum, Cardano is going up, so do not sell and hold. In this video, I've got some really good news from Formula One to Iran to China to the banks, everything. So charts, news, media, this video is fully packed, so make sure you stay tuned all the way till the end. I've got price predictions on where I think Bitcoin will be in July with specific dates. And I've got all the news surrounding that. Why are we having the pump up? Why I also believe that the price will keep going up in the near future, and why strongly I believe that we are still in the bull market. So guys, before we waste any time, let's get into the screens.
So here we are, guys, on the screens. As usual, we start from coin market cap and we look at the market cap overall of the cryptocurrency, which is just shy of 1.5 trillion. Now, this number have improved a lot. It was nearly lingering around 1.1 trillion, and there was a speculation of it falling down even from a trillion to billions. But again, the market cap is going up. Volume can go up still. It is still at 92 billion, but I think definitely needs to go slightly more up and way more up so that more big money can pump in. But this also number has increased. BTC value right now, the dominancy is 46% and Ethereum at 13. The Ethereum prices are really down, usually at late hours, or I'm talking about London time. It's always down. It's just because most of the stock markets are shut at the time. I think the Chinese market opened at 2 o'clock London time, which is the starting off the main financial market, which brings the big money in. So yeah, the Ethereum prices are nice. So if you guys are always looking to transfer some Ethereum, this is a good time, which is like midnight London time is a good time to transfer money around because the Ethereum prices will be low. Again, you can see Bitcoin recovery, both 24 hours, it's the single digits, 7 days, double-digit recovery, same for Ethereum, almost same for all the coins except the stable coins or the US dollar coins, where usually people keep the money when they take out from the main big crypto or Ethereum or any other altcoin. So you can see Tether breaking even towards the downside, and on the weekly side is going down, which is a good sign. We need Tether, we need USDC, which is again down, we need BUSD, which is again starting to show that they are declining, because these are the coins, when they start declining, that means the crypto will start getting more money pumping in, because when people take money out from stable coins, they are usually or almost certainly investing into Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other altcoin. So you can see Tether is down, USDC is down, and BUSD is down, and I'm sure all the other coins which will be downstairs will be all dollar coins. Again, DAI is down, which is all dollar coins. So it's a very good sign to buy right now. I think Bitcoin is at a dip right now. I'm going to soon get into the charts with the price prediction and show you all the fundamentals. So please stick for the whole video. This is a very special video, so you get all the information right now on the market, one capture. So before we go in, let's check out the key players today. Ethereum Classic, again, fully on top right now. Currently trading at $55. This is a huge up pump from Ethereum Classic, and again, this is if you have been watching my channel continuously, I actually posted a video of Elrond nearly about 2 weeks ago, and when I was recommending you to buy as much Elrond as you can, because the circulating supply of this coin is really low. This coin can get parabolic moves in the coming future, almost certainly, and right now the market cap is quite low as well, so we can get it at the right time. You can see quite growth, and it's the third biggest coin growth today, followed by Filecoin and VeChain. Again, one of our favorite coin and I've been discussing that on my channel quite a lot, and also part of my main portfolio. Let's get into the charts quickly. So as you can see, my charts are getting crazy and crazy. This is happening when we are having a mini bear market within a bull market. So the charts are all right now going back in the positive signs. You can see we had quite a crazy sign here, and then we had a pretty much of a dip session one more time, and now we are again stabilizing and going towards the uptrend. Now I have got two wedges right now running through. As you can see, I've got one of this wedge. Let me quickly get a brush here. So yeah, so if I can see, there is one wedge which is going towards this trend, and then I have a ring wedge which is going towards this trend. So this wedge, you can see we were bang on within the wedge all this time, and now you can see the movement has started to go upwards. So as soon as this trade will trigger out of this wedge and goes in this trend, then we are going to start following this kind of movement. This is according to my chart, my analysis. I'm not a trade analyst or a financial advisor. I have self-taught myself just as an advice. I have to tell that to all my viewers on YouTube. But however, you can see my prediction have been continuously been coming true, almost certainly all the time. And if you not have been knowing that, then you can go and watch my previous videos and you can see my trade analysis, fundamental analysis. This video I give you the full technical analysis of Bitcoin right now, which I'm giving on trade charts, followed by all the fundamentals, which I've got some really good news for car lovers, for bank lovers, for money lovers in this video. So stick all the way through so you can watch all the news we have and see why Bitcoin is looking very good. This is going to be a roller coaster July towards the uptrend. So you can see if we are already entering this wedge, and I am looking for at least a 45,000 pound Bitcoin buy on a specific, if I have to give a date, 11th July according to my charts right now. You can see the yellow dots line here as well. If I clean up my chart as well a little bit from here, you can see a bit more clear of what the picture is looking like. So yeah, let's get into where we are with the government. So I'm gonna give you some information on what's going on with the governments, what's going on with the financial institutions, what's going on in the sports market, in the celebrity market, in the meme coin market, and also what's going on for the betterment of Bitcoin itself. We've got some really key news, so better watch this all so you know exactly what's going on. So Iran, this is a 1 month old news. Iran bans Bitcoin mining, echoing China after blackout. So Iran banned Bitcoin a month ago. As you can see on the 26th of May, this article came out. And then just 2 days ago, Iran have issued 30 licensing to crypto mining farms, which means that they're going to take full advantage of China's ban on crypto mining. And a lot of countries are going to be doing that. Iran especially is doing it because Iran has a lot of sanctions on themselves, which means they cannot do full trade like any other country, and that's why they're going to use this to save the losses of that sanctions. Plus they are the second largest oil producing country, so they are going to use their oil to produce the energy to mine Bitcoin at the same time, which is a very expensive way to do so. But because they have so much of it and they got sanctions, they'll probably be making more money mining Bitcoin rather than selling their oil. So this is another key one. Right now, Iran accumulates 4.5% of the global mining. This number certainly has to increase. China actually takes almost more than half of the mining in the world, so you can know how many countries will jump in. It's like if, for example, a big distributor stops its distribution or a big company stops their operation, a lot of other new companies will make way to fulfill that gap which has been created. That's why we saw 2 months the market price was going down, because when the China ban came out, it took time for a lot of people to reestablish what was going on. If I quickly go on this news, for example, China banned forces some Bitcoin miners to flee overseas, others to sell out. So a lot of miners did flew overseas, like to America, to Kazakhstan, to Russia, to other neighboring countries, so that they can reestablish their mining facilities there. And a lot of them just simply don't want to just move a whole country because of one business, so they came out of the business and they moved their money elsewhere. And in China, it's not that easy, for example, for if you, especially if you are having a multi-millionaire system going on, you can't just leave a country because your assets are there and so many other things. So yes, this was going on from the Chinese side, the Iran side, and what's going on in Mexico. So you can see billionaire Salinas, he's one of the bank owners as well. I think Bank Azteca or something. He is working with his bank to be the first in Mexico to take Bitcoin. And straight away when this news came out, I think you can see here Mexico's finance minister confirmed cryptos are banned from the financial system. So you can see again it's the same story going on, that Iran first bans it, then gives licensing. Same thing here. It's the other way around. Mexico billionaires are saying we're going to introduce Bitcoin in our banks. The government is stopping them. Again, Mexico is also a big country which moves a lot of cartel money and mafia money and all of that money as well, which can also use Bitcoin in a negative way. So it could be a good one that the government is trying to make sure everything, every avenue is covered. But Mexico will enter the market, just like El Salvador has created this rush of other Latin countries. If you have seen my video about 3 weeks ago, I predicted exactly the same, that Mexico will enter the crypto market after El Salvador news came out, and this is happening right in front of our eyes right now, as we can see. So uh, another one which a lot of people are not fully focused on as well on YouTube when it comes to crypto is the world is itself now coming out of recession. We had the very worst 2020. Now the World Bank is saying that the world economy is going to be, coming back the fastest recession recovery in 80 years. So we're going to have a huge recovery. A lot of money will be pumping in. That's why we are having a recovery 2021 towards the upside right now. So a lot of new people who are making money, or the existing one now, they have the chance to put their money into crypto and other assets. And that's why you can see Morgan Stanley just bought 2,800 actually shares in the GBTC, which is the Grayscale Big Bitcoin Trust, which is the biggest private public investor in Bitcoin right now, underscoring its commitment to crypto. This is a big giant. Like Morgan Stanley is one of the biggest investment bank in the world. And they are, I think, pretty much partners with the other banks also, like Citibank, JP Morgan, uh, and you can name as many of the big guys as well out there, and they are all buying Bitcoin. And this is just another indication when you get the news like that, that this is a good time to buy. If Morgan Stanley is buying nearly, not a big number for Morgan Stanley, but nearly 1.3 million worth of shares of Bitcoin, uh, that means that they have all the best analysts to tell them when to buy at the best time. And you can see they bought the price, and the price has been going up, not because they bought it. They only bought it because they knew the price is going to go up. The price did not go up because Morgan Stanley bought and the price went up. They had all the financial advisors, one of the best ones in the world, to tell them, who have full-time jobs, to just go through the numbers. So this is again an indication for a lot of you guys to get into crypto. If you have money going around, you can possibly buy Bitcoin right now, because it's looking good. And I tell you why. Look at this, guys. This is my favorite news of the day. It just made my day personally. I love cars. Formula One announced Crypto.com as inaugural global partner of the F1 Sprint Series. I'm pretty much sure everybody who is watching the channel right now, they know about Formula One. If you don't know, I think you need to really go and get to know Formula One before you even get to know crypto. So Formula One have now got official partnership with Crypto.com. This is multi-millionaire partnership. Formula One has announced today that Crypto.com, the fastest growing crypto platform with over 10 million users worldwide, as an inaugural partner of the new Sprint Series, with the first event already happening in Silverstone in the UK on the 17th of July. It's in about 17 days, guys. And look at, this is the British market coming in. You can see the UK have just recently banned Binance, which means they are launching their own coin, which is the Standard Chartered Bank is coming out with the coin. If you have been watching my videos, you should know about that previously. And this is my favorite news. You can already see I'm on Formula One's website, and as soon as you go down, there you go, guys. Crypto is getting on the serious level. Crypto.com is here, along with what names? Rolex, DHL, Aramco, the biggest oil company in the world, Pirelli, the biggest tire company in the world, Emirates, the biggest airline company in the world, Heineken, the biggest beer company in the world, Rolex, the biggest watch company in the world, DHL, the biggest logistics company in the world. Crypto.com is right among them. And this space, which is empty, a lot of other crypto is coming in. Imagine Formula One announcing that you can get more discounts if you buy crypto, and then you can get Formula One tickets. Imagine how much exposure it's going to get to so many new people who watch Formula One, who it's like association with Ferrari, Lamborghinis, McLarens, you name it, Renault, all the car industry people, anybody who's a car craze is going to be getting into crypto. This is just free marketing. It's amazing, guys. If you are just not watching this and enjoying and it doesn't give you comfort, then please take some more comfort. Meme coin, Dogecoin. Let's get everything else in this video. That's why I wanted to have this video especially for you to get everything covered in. So SoftBank backed travel booking platform expands with Dogecoin payments. So there's a travel app which is now going to accept payments in Dogecoin as well. So Dogecoin is going to get pumped. You can see already Ethereum Classic pumping up. If you don't know, watch my previous videos about the correlation between Ethereum and Dogecoin. Sorry, Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin. And last but not the least, we have the world's biggest Bitcoin conference happening. This conference is all about how institution can embrace Bitcoin. This is huge, guys. This is a conference happening in on the 21st of July. In 21 days. We have Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO of the Square Inc., is speaking there. We have also confirmed that Elon Musk is going to be speaking on in this event as well with Jack Dorsey, and these are the other big names like Adam Back from Blockstream, Lynn Alden, and Nick Carter from Coinmetrics, which is going to be also speaking at the same time. Other billionaires. This is not an event for retailers. This is solely focused on institution, guys. So this is big. I hope it gives you comfort. Comments, like, subscribe. As always, I love you all, and I hope you like my videos. Thank you so much. Adios.